Hey, what is happening YouTube? This is your boy TechTrex back with another video. And today what we have here is a traveler adapter. Let's get it out of the case. I like this one. It comes with a case of its own. You don't have to worry about scuffing the sides and whatnot while it's in the bag. This part with the USB comes off by itself. This one is by Kaga, plug all-in-one world travel adapter, 3.1 amp with dual USB charging ports and LED light for iPhone, Android, and all USB devices. Very useful when you're traveling a lot all around the world. Now let's take off the plastic. I know you guys want to hear this one. This has a nice rugged build. It's made out of plastic, but if you break it, it won't break the bank. You just buy another one. So basically it's retractable. Push it in the side, it comes out, and then you have to push the button on the other side to release it. So it won't release on its own. You don't gotta bring a lot of different plugs. This will cover you for everywhere in the world. It also comes with this literature. Throw that out. This one just plugs in here. You can only plug it in one way though, because it's not symmetrical all the way. It's pretty sturdy, it won't come off there, but just gotta plug it in the right way though. It comes in here just like that. And yeah, it's a nice case so you don't scratch it. So if you're traveling around the world, just bring this with you and you'd be covered nice and easy. Small pouch, small bag. And you're good to go. Well, that's it for today, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe, and see you at the comments below. Peace. Small pouch, small bag, small case.